In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete your account in Monday.com. Whether you're closing your account because you're moving to a new platform or you simply don't need it anymore, I'm here to guide you step by step through the process. Let's get started and simplify everything for your transition. First things first, make sure you're logged into your Monday.com account. Once you're in, direct your attention to the top right corner of your screen. There, you'll find your profile picture. Go ahead and move your mouse cursor over to it and give it a click. Doing so will bring up a drop-down menu. From this menu, you'll want to select the Administration option. This step is essential as it will lead you to the area where all your account settings can be managed. Once you've clicked on Administration, a new menu should appear on the left-hand side of the page. Here, you're looking for an option labeled Billing. Click on it to open the billing section of your account. This is where we'll handle the necessary steps to close your account. As you scroll through the billing section, keep an eye out for the Close My Account option. Once you've found it, go ahead and click on it. Now, Monday.com will prompt you to confirm your decision. This is a crucial part of the process, as the choice you're about to make will result in the permanent deletion of your account. Make sure you're absolutely sure about proceeding. If you are, then click on Close Account to continue. After you've done this, you may encounter another page. This is where you have a decision to make. If you think there might be a chance you'll want to return to Monday.com in the future, it's comforting to know that you have the option to reopen your account. Simply click on Reopen My Account, if that's the case. However, if you're determined to leave and want to ensure that all data associated with your account is removed, you should look for the Delete My Account Data option. Clicking on this will ensure that your account, along with any boards and workspaces, are permanently deleted. It's vital to understand that once you opt to delete your account, the action is irreversible. This essentially provides you with a clean slate, so double-check to make sure this aligns with your intentions. If you're confident and ready, follow these steps and you'll have successfully deleted your account. And there you have it. You've learned how to delete your account in Monday.com. I hope this guide has been helpful and straightforward, making your account closure process smooth. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to leave a comment. Thanks for watching and good luck with wherever your journey takes you next.